Welcome friends to the first video log of Wings Through Lens. My name is Aditya and I am a hobbyist photographer cum birder. I often go out on morning birding trips across my hometown, which is Ranchi, the capital city of Jharkhand. Ranchi is located on a plateau which is surrounded by surreal forest covers and water streams, making Ranchi a city of waterfalls. No, I mean literally there are lots and lots of waterfalls around Ranchi. The topography is ideal to host a diverse avian population. Through these videos, I would like to introduce my audience to the diverse world of birds in and around the jungles, streams and various different locations of Jharkhand, primarily near Ranchi. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. I started my birding journey in the year 2022. This video is an introduction to my journey with a glimpse of my experiences and learnings. When I started, I was completely new to photography. I had to struggle with basic concepts of photography and editing. Google and YouTube were my guide and mentor, and so I also wish to help new birders through my videos. Like most of the birders today, I had a DSLR camera with 55 to 250mm lens from Canon and a little knowledge of Photoshop and Lightroom. I clearly remember that my first bird photo was of a blue rock thrush, which was just a blue-grey bird for me, as I had almost zero knowledge of identifying the bird species. Most of the photographs back then were almost like point and shoot. Slowly and steadily, I caught up with bird photography and upgraded my setup with Sigma's 150 to 600mm lens. During my early days, Durwa Dam area was my go-to place for birding, as I was told that birds like to be near water bodies. More was waiting for me. Soon after, I was introduced to two more hotspots, namely Rukka Dam, which is approximately 20 to 25 kilometers from Ranchi city, and Horab Forest, which is approximately 12 to 15 kilometers from Ranchi city. The experienced birders of Ranchi helped me to learn to identify bird species, their behaviors, their habitats, etc. Approximately 1.5 years later, I upgraded my setup with Canon EOS R7 mirrorless body paired with Canon's 100 to 500 RF lens, which I am using till today. I have come a long way, but still far from El Dorado. Enjoy the next video clip. Till now I have photographed approximately 170 species in Jharkhand and altogether 200 species in total. My species count is low because I am more of a photographer than an avid bird observer. I have my profile on eBird. For those who know about it can check my profile, which is given in the description below. And for those who don't know about eBird, please Google it. It is like a database where you register yourself and record your observations on bird sightings. I have my official Instagram profile which goes by the name of the channel, which is wingsThroughLens. I also upload my photographs in Flickr. Links to both are given in the description below. Please do check out and follow my profile on Instagram and Flickr. Seasons went by, locations visited, many birds photographed, but still the journey continues, and it is not going to be less exciting than it has always been. This video was basically an introduction to my story and my channel. Through the upcoming videos on this channel, I will take you to a journey full of exciting bird photography experiences. Very soon, I will also create videos on my workflow and editing processes. I ask for a little support by subscribing to my channel. I promise that you won't regret being here. Enjoy the next clip and take care.